Good day, everyone. So this is Miss Majoy, and right now we're going to talk about a function of event management. Okay, before we proceed, I would like to thank Group One or Ezekiel, Grade 11 Ezekiel, for this PPT. So ginamit ko tong PPT na to for the reference. Thank you so much. So now we're going to talk about again the function of event management for you to know what is the event management or what is the function of the event management. Okay, so event management is more than just a putting together a program. Hindi lang po siya program. Okay, it is about careful planning, coordination, and execution. When you say execution, ito yung ginagawa na natin to ensure a successful event. So now this is the step-by-step na function ng event management. Okay po? So first is we have a resource and team management. Okay, meron tayong optimizing available resources and building functional team, understanding the client and audience. So dito sa resources and team management, nandito na yung optimizes resources. Ibig sabihin, you will know the resources, build the functional team, meron kang mga resources, and after nan, meron kang mga functional team. Sabihin, yung mga gumagalaw na papagkatiwalaan mo to work your team. Understanding the client and audience. Of course, you need to understand the client, kung ano ba yung gusto nila, ano yung gusto nilang mangyari sa event, ang gusto nila, mga suggestion, dapat alam mo kung paano siya i-handle, okay? Sa audience naman, if you want to sa audience naman, dapat kailangan alam mo kung sino yung mga pupunta. So, for example, the event ba is very formal? Kung formal, mga senador pa, mayor, mga VIPs, etc. So, that's the audience. Okay po yung target na participant na kailangan na pumunta sa event mo. Okay? So, that is resource and team management. Okay? So, under din ng planning ang budgeting and coordination. Again, hindi tayo makakagawa ng event kung walang budget and coordination. Okay? It is a set event budget. Ibig sabihin, sa isang event, you need to categorize kung magkano ang expenses na magagamit mo in particular event. Coordinate with the creative technical teams. Of course, kailangan ng technical teams, plan artists, sounds, lights, and stages. Okay, syempre may iba't iba tayong mga galing. Okay, so may mga organization kasi or may mga team na for technicals, for light, for creatives, etc. So, dito siya nakapasok sa coordination. Okay, being a event management, kailangan may resources ka. For example, number 1, may resources ka, you have a team, you have a budget. So, this time, sa budget naman, pwedeng yung budget na yon is sa client and then kailangan mo budgeted kung saan aabutin at kung saan sasakop ang budget mo. Next is 3 is venue and legal requirements. Okay, choose a venue, indoor man yan or outdoor. Syempre, you need to know what clients want, kung indoor ba, kung outdoor ba. And secure permits, licenses, and clearance. Of course, sa mga ganitong bagay, kailangan may mga legal procedure bago tayo mag-conduct ng event. May mga permissions, may mga license, may mga clearance pa yan. Lalo na kapag mga outdoor places or venue. Okay? So, sa planning event, meron din tayong event format and list. So, ticket or sponsor ba tong event niyo? Kung sponsor ba ng mayayamang tao, risk assessment, dress code, and hospitality, and security. Of course, kapag, for example, graduation ng inyong gagawing event, of course, meron tayong risk assessment. Sponsored ba siya ng kung sino, yung dress code ba, kung formal attire, kung puro gown, puro casual lang, something like that. So, dapat meron tayong event format. Okay? Nakapasok rin dito yung flow, program flow, kung ano ba yung sunod-sunod. kung ano yung pagkasunod-sunod ng event. Okay? Next, finances and logistics. So, manage inflow, sponsor or sale, handle outflow, payment and taxes, contract, penalties, payment and schedule. Again, kakasabi ko lang sa inyo. So, mas maganda if kayo ay magkukontinue ng event management, always na half payment. For example, before dapat matuloy yung event na yun, dapat fully paid na si client. So, dapat hinahandle nyo yan. Kasi lugi kayo kapag hindi nyo siningil yung client. Okay? Manage the inflow, the sponsor, the sale, kung gusto may sale. But iba kasing klaseng event ang ginagawa ng kadalas mga event organizer. Okay? So, sometimes may mga specific yan. For example, for Nibu, for the wedding, for malaking event. Meron naman tayong mga educational events like seminars, meron tayong mga congress, something like that. So, syempre, consider rin natin yung mga finances and logistics natin. Okay? So, number 6 is event services. So, sa event services naman, meron tayong travel, EV, and catering. Decoration, entertainment, web, and site management. Anything na event services, kasama yan po sa plan. Okay? So, let's proceed to organizing. So, si organizing is one of the plan is set. Okay? We move to organizing. We were assigned roles and responsibilities to team members. It also involves coordination, coordinating activities, creating clear structure, and ensure there are backup plans. For example, include booking artists, arranging venues, and managing publicity and permits. Okay po? So, din sa organizing, dapat lahat na. Okay? Meron ka ng assigned team, meron ka ng mga coordinating event activities para hindi ka na ikaw lang at ikaw. Okay? Again po, sa pagiging event management, hindi mo aakuin ang trabaho, kundi i-disseminate mo yung trabaho para mas maayos ang kalalabasan ng event. Okay? So, staffing. Staffing is the third function. It means assigning the right people to right role. Okay? So, we need to understand the kind of team we need. Their structure, experience, background, and availability. As well as, choosing team can make all the difference in executing the event smoothly. Of course, we need to know what is the talent, what is the characteristic of our team. For example, our team is magaling siya sa public speaking. So, siya yung gawin nating MC. Kung magaling siya mag-entertainment, or magaling siya mag-public speaking. So, let's set him or her sa MC. For example, this person is magaling mag-budget, malinis, organize. So, lagay natin sa pagiging secretariat, sa pagiging yung mga may papeles, yung mga ganun, yung mga secretary things. For example, dito, magaling magbuto, ganyan. Magaling sila mag-organize kapag darating may mga bisita. So, organization team, something like that. Dapat alam mo kung saan magagaling or mas nag-excel ang mga team mo. Kasi hindi pwedeng, for example, ito, nilagay mo siya sa budgeting team, pero nahihirapan siya mag-calculate sa math. Parang nape-pressure siya. So, kailangan bagay na bagay ang mga trabaho ng iyong team sa specific na role na bibigay mo. Okay? So, next, leading and coordination. It is the coordination revolves around the interpersonal skills, making sure individual efforts align with the team goals. Leaders should have strong people skills, constantly motivating staff and junior coordinators to work hard despite physical challenges, time pressure, and the one-time nature of event. So, leading and coordination, ito yung dapat, being a leader, you should have a strong people skill. Okay? Kapag meron kang nakikitang nada-down, you need to motivate her or him, them, We need to motivate them to continue their good work. Alright? So, next is controlling. Controlling is this about evaluating the event, progress, and correction. Any deviation from the plan, for the plan, it's about measuring whether the event achieved its goal and making adjustment to improve future event. Of course, the controlling, it is not controlling, controlling uh, the people, something like that. No, it is controlling the progress. Okay? Pag mag-evaluation tayo ng event, tapos may nakitang mali, and after nun, in the next event, dapat may improve mo na siya. Okay po? So, that the function of event management is proper planning, organizing, staffing, leading and coordination, and controlling. So each function play a vital role in ensuring that event is not just organized but successful. Okay? We have planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and coordination and control. So, meron tayong 5 function of event management. Okay po? So, that's all for today. I hope you know what is the 5 function of the event management. Thank you so much.